So I'm back out in the green lanes of the beautiful British countryside, and I just wanted to share my rated recovery point install on my Nissan Navara D40 2nd gen. So this video might be helpful to someone with that model if you've got the Pathfinder R51 or even the Frontier version in the US. So the reason why I went with this install was because the truck came with this stock item, which is found on the front passenger side. I believe it only to be a tie down point for transport only, so I wouldn't trust this in any kind of snatch recovery situation. Very easily removed. Basically these two bolts come out from the chassis, and that allowed me to install the recovery point and this D-shackle that I've added on there, and that bolts directly onto the chassis. So the recovery point is by All Terrain Industries. That was a Australian import from Car Mods Australia, and that point is rated at 3.25 tons. And then the D-shackle, which was a Amazon purchase by Nilight, that's rated at 4.75 tons, and nice chunky 3/4 inch pin on there. So great for pulling you out of a situation if you're in a group. The only other kind of self-recovery I've got on board is my traction boards. So I hope these to come in handy. Hopefully I won't have to use them, but you never know. So yeah, I recommend these. They've got good reviews on both the point and the D-shackle. Thanks for watching.